Hello everyone, welcome back to our homeschool learning. Welcome to another video lesson featured by Bunjit Vidya School online video class. Welcome students and welcome once again to our math class. My name is Teacher Riva and we are going to be together as we relearn the things that we had and the things that we will have. Are you ready? If you are ready, then let's not keep it waiting. Let's begin. And to start with our lesson for today, let's, as always, start with a review. Let's review. Okay, in 3, 2, and 1. On the previous video that we had, we studied about subtracting numbers with the minuend of 10,000 and 100,000, both or less. And it's with regrouping or borrowing. As I have mentioned the last time, there are two ways to subtract these numbers. First, you find the difference using the expanded form. Again, find the difference using the expanded form. And number 2 is to find the difference using the column subtraction. Again, find the difference using the column subtraction. Expanded form looks like this, while column subtraction looks like this. These are two ways that you can find out the difference. Okay? We also had discussed of solving subtraction in word problems for some. And today we are going to focus on the topic relationship between addition and subtraction. Relationship between addition and subtraction. What's relationship? Can addition be related to subtraction, or subtraction can be related to addition? That would be explained later on. Alright, so let's review first the different parts of a subtraction and an addition process. Looking at the numbers on the screen, it says 9 minus 7 equals 2. 9 again is our minuend. Number 7 here is our subtrahend. Number 2 is the answer or the difference. These are for subtraction. For addition, you have 1 is our addend, 1 is our addend, while 2 is the answer or the sum. Addend, sum. Minuend, subtrahend, and difference. These are the important words that you need to remember as we go and figure out what is the relationship between an addition process and a subtraction process. Okay? So, let's see. We have this simple problem. Mark has chickens and ducks in the farm. 3,214 chicken eggs and 2,143 duck eggs are collected. How many eggs are collected? Of course, you need to look and find for important data. Just like this, 3,214, it's the number of chicken eggs. And we also have 2,143 duck eggs from the duck, right? So just to be guided, you can write this one again. You can write given or what data you can see in the problem. So first, you can have 3,214. It's the number of chicken eggs. Another one is 2,143. It's the duck eggs. And of course, we are asked to know how many eggs all in all are collected. But for now, we don't know yet. So, our number sentence would probably be 3,214 plus 2,143 plus, because we try to put all together the eggs collected, may it be chicken or may it be ducks. Okay? Now, the relationship between addition and subtraction. As I have said, number sentence is 3,214 plus 2,143. We solve it using the column subtraction. Make sure that all the numbers are aligned with each other. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Remember, 3,214 is our oggend. 2,143 is our addend. And of course, 5,357 is the sum. Now, to know their relationship, we do subtraction process. So from addition, we go subtraction. And that is by subtracting 5,357 minus our addend, which is 2,143. 7 minus 3 equals 4. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 3 minus 1 equals 2. And 5 minus 2 equals 3. We have 3,214 is the same with our original oggend. Therefore, it really is, or it really has relationship. Now look, 5,357 is the sum, which is correct. 2,143 is the addend, which is also correct. And 3,214 is our oggend, which is our 3,214 oggend number. So, therefore, they have a relationship. When we add or subtract the sum by the addend, the number or the difference would be equal our oggend. Okay, that's our example 1. Let's go to example 2. Sunny has 8,650 baht. He buys a water heater for 3,590 baht. How much does he have left? Alright, so again, look for the important data or your clues. So we can have 8,650 baht and 3,590 baht. When we write our given, we automatically write 8,650 baht, and this is Sunny's money, right? Next, we also write 3,590 baht, and that is the price of the water heater. It's how much the water heater costs. It's 3,590 baht. And the money left, we don't know, and that's what we have to find out now. So what are you going to do? Of course, our number sentence, since we are tasked to know how much does he have left, so we do subtraction. That's 8,650 minus 3,590. Let's check. Okay. Subtract 8,650 by 3,590. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 6 minus 9 cannot be because 6 is smaller than 9. So we need to regroup. Cancel 5. 5 becomes 4. And add 10. Now it's 10 plus 6 equals 16 minus 9 equals 7. Now, 4 minus 5. We cannot subtract 4 and 5 because again, 4 is smaller. So we need to regroup and borrow 1 from 8. Now 8 becomes 7. And 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 5 equals 9. 7 minus 3 equals 4. That gives us the difference of 4,970. Remember, the first number is our minuend. The second number is our subtrahend. And the third number or the last number is the answer or the difference. To see that the relationship is correct, let's check the answer. To check the answer, we add the difference with our subtrahend. So it's 4,970 plus 3,590. That gives us the total of 8,560. 4,970 is the difference, 3,590 is the subtrahend, 8,560 is the minuend, which is equal to our minuend over here. 8,560. Thus, the relationship of addition and subtraction here is the same. Alright? Okay. Now let's move on to a very quick explanation of how to do subtraction word problems. So when we speak of subtraction word problems, we deal, read, and analyze word problems. So you cannot directly see numbers, but instead you have to read and think. In doing subtraction word problems, you have 4 important steps to follow. First, you need to clarify the problem. Second, plan. Third, execute the plan. And lastly, check the answer. Again, 4 steps to follow, and remember when doing word problems. First, clarify the problem. Plan. Execute the plan. And check the answer. What are we going to do with this one? Let's see an example. Okay, supposing this month, or let's say this month of August, 36,057 students visit the National Science Museum. 19,468 of them are male. Now, how many female students visited the museum this month? First step is to clarify the problem. In clarifying the problem, you should know what is the story of the problem. So in this one, it says students visit the National Museum this month. So there are students who went to the museum this month. That's first. In clarifying the problem, you should also ask how many students visited the museum this month. As shown in the problem, it's 36,057. So you would also take note of it. 36,057 students. That's the second one. Third, you may also ask how many male students or boys visited the museum. It is shown here that it's 19,468 male students. However, we don't know the number of females. So the question, or what is the question? It's how many female students visited the museum this month. This question is what we are going to find out along the process. So, we have the next one. After clarifying the problem, we should now plan. How do we plan? Well, we can do it by using or by making a figure or illustration or drawing. You can draw. Example, you can make like this, 2 columns. The first column would be for our male students and the other column will be for the female students. So in total, It's basically the number of students who visited the National Science Museum. So it's 36,057 students. Male, we have 19,468. And female students, we don't know. So basically, we need to find the number of the female students using subtraction. Or in Thai, it's lop. Okay? So our number sentence would in turn be 36,057 minus 19,468. Now this is what you can see in step 2, the planning stage. Okay? Next, after we are done planning, we can now already have number 3, or execute the plan or solve. Need to look for the answer. And you just perform the subtraction process and we get here 16,589. 36 is the number of students who visited the National Museum. 19,468 is of them who are male. And finally, we got the answer. And 16,589 of the students are female. So the answer to the problem is 16,589 female students visited the museum this month. So, we got the answer already. It's up to you if you want to check your answer or not. But, considering you're finished with number 3, you can go and move on to step 4, and that is checking the answer. This is just basically doing the relationship of addition and subtraction. Supposing we added 16,589 by or with the number of male students, it's 36,057 still. Now, it's equal to when we do look at the prior solution. So 36,057 as the sum, 36,057 are still the same. So, it's correct, or your answer is correct. Okay? So that is our discussion on relationship of addition and subtraction and a quick overview of solving subtraction word problem. So, that's the end of our class today. Thank you all for listening and for watching. I hope you have learned something for today. Goodbye, everyone, and see you next time. Remember to be safe always. Goodbye.